Okay, this video is going to demonstrate how to use the file system, the file folder I should say, the GUI file folder. So if you notice right now, what we're looking at is what they call an icon view. It's not really an icon view. It's more of a panel view of all the icons. And then just the file names too. So that really means panel view. And once we're in the panel view, we can change the size of the panel view components to whatever you find reasonable for yourself. Then we have a list view, which means a single column list view. And we can change the size of this text and icons. And you can choose what works best for you. And last but not least, we have what's called a compact view. That just means each list line wraps to the next line to stay on the screen. And once again, you can change the size of the wrapping list to whatever you want it to be. So that's how you control what you're seeing right in here as far as the size of everything. Now let's go look at the an external drive, master data. Let's search for something. Let's search for file names that include the word working. And we hit enter. And down at the bottom right it says it's searching. It's working on it. And now that went away. That means it's finished. This is the 3 files it found on that entire drive. That whole 960 some gigabytes worth of files. It found the word working in these 3 file names. So it was that quick. We can also search for file content, working. Obviously this is going to take a long time because now it has to open every file, look inside the file, and move on. And these are files that it's finding the word working inside of them. So that's going to take several minutes to do that. So we're going to cancel that search. Once you cancel it, you can see how far it got. It got down here to 3 polygon cell steering. So that's how you search various. See, Linux calls a disk drive a folder. This is a master data folder. This is a Mint23 folder. That's where I do all my daily backups. They're all stored here automatically by using this guy down here, which is time shift. At any rate, you won't see drive letters or drive names. These are folder names that we assign to that physical hard drive. So that's a little bit different. Everything else is pretty much the same. File system takes you back to the home page. Everything here for me, this user LYN, each user has their own home page, and each user has their own file system. So that concludes using this file system to find files, find words within files, and change how it looks.